guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. As you may remember, last week I showed you these two photo folios of my own design, and they came with the pre-made folio that they came in, as it were. And in December, so last month, I showed you my mini album, my Christmas mini album, and that held this folio, a mini folio, to put into the box pocket of that album. And today I am announcing that I have written the tutorials for all of these. So starting off with this one, this I showed you, as I said, in December. And this is a complete tutorial of this mini folio. Now this one here is in fact exactly the same but larger. So for this one there's a cutting guide included with the tutorial for that one. So that is all in one tutorial. Now there are some differences because it has a pocket here, so that is included in the cutting guide. So there's a little bit of instruction after all. And as you can see, it is the same basic design as the smaller one that I just showed you. And this is also a difference, so that is included in the cutting guide. So these two are sort of the same but different. So one tutorial, one cutting guide. And then this folio here, it has a tutorial of its own, and it comes as a set with the other two. So this is one tutorial set, so with two tutorials actually and one cutting guide. So just to recap, this was the folio with the photo flips and a large pocket here, and then a magnetized closure and a pocket on the back here. So I hope that you are pleased with that I am of service to you all. All of you who want to try these folios, you only have to buy one tutorial set in my Etsy shop. So let me know if you like this and if you would like more in the future, so I can do more designing of this kind. Because I'm always wondering, what do you guys want me to make? So let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you next week. Bye bye, thank you for watching, and please press the like and subscribe.